Going at third nails. Just really thin coat, so then you get a little bit base, so then you can adhere your glitters better. I'm not using one of this. Oh, it's different. It's got a little bit. This one is so stunning. I can't wait because a lot of our clients love yellow as well, and I really enjoy the yellow as well. It looks like a little bit of effects of yellow. Look at that. I'm not afraid to try anything. In the worst case, I always tell the clients in the worst case that you don't like it, so we can always take it off and do the new one. It was different with tattooed. I don't want to try that. Well, I don't know how to do tattooed anyway, but look at that. Do you want to do different colors on this one as well? What should we do with this? Should we do green and gold, huh? I don't know. I'm gonna pick a few of them and see. And let me pick gold. Green. It feels like Christmas. Just kidding. We don't want Christmas in July. I mean, just give you an idea so whatever you can play with. You can do any colors. Okay, you can. I think it's pink. It looks good. I just want to give you a lot of different options. This is so cool and stunning. Right. If you have like a triangle glitter, you can put it in between the space. I think it's gonna look so cool. Let it tilt my fingers like a little bit. So it's kind of running in and it carpet for me. This one is cool though. Okay, I'm gonna go into the nude colors. This is a great tip and trick for beginners, and you'll place this beads right in where your glitters is in, and just gently blend it. I don't know why I picked the gold and the green. Probably it is just for Gucci gangs, I guess. But I think the red looks good too. But I didn't want to do red, green, and gold. It looks like a Christmas theme. Second beads, you kind of using it to get perfect on the cuticles. Sorry if I miss it from Instagram. Facebook, see, okay. And you're gonna go back if you feel like you miss anything. So I'll feel like I missed this pat right here. I'm gonna just pat it up. Great, so now I'm gonna cover completely like the cap from between the cover pink, like a nude colors, and my glitter. Hi Alexandra, hi Maya. If I haven't said hi to anyone, I just would like to say hi to everyone. Just don't want to miss any of you. Great. Just a little bit here. And then we'll let this nail set.